In this segment, we are diving into a crucial step in your Reactify tutorials, that is, setting up your development environment. Before you begin, make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your computer. Step 1. Installing Node.js and npm. To begin, you will need Node.js and npm, the Node package manager. Node.js lets you run JavaScript on the server, and npm helps manage libraries and packages you will use in your projects. Go to the official Node.js website. Simply type nodejs.org and click enter. On the Node.js website, you will find two versions available for download. The LTS means long term support version and the current version. For most users, it's recommended to download the LTS version as it is more stable and suitable for production use. Choose the version of Node.js that matches your operating system. There are installers available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Click on the installer package that corresponds to your operating system to begin the download. Once this file is downloaded, let me just click on this file. You will see this kind of window, which is Node.js setup window. So I am going to click on next here, and this is the license terms and condition. Just click checkbox and then click on next. This will be the default location where Node.js will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and click on next. And at this point also you can just leave everything as default and click on next. Here you can see tools for native modules. So here, if you check this box, it's going to automatically install the necessary tools, and also it says note that this will also install Chocolatey, and Chocolatey is a very good utility which allows you to install various different tools on your Windows operating system. So if it installs Chocolatey, it will be good. So I am okay with that. So I am going to check this checkbox and then click on next, and then click on install here, which is going to install a Node.js. But first of all, you will see this kind of prompt which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I will click on yes, which starts the installation, and it will finish the installation really fast. So just wait for few seconds, and after some times you will see this message which says completed the Node.js setup and Node.js has been successfully installed. So I can click on finish, and Node.js is installed on my Windows 10 operating system. Now here there is this UH command prompt which is open. I can press any key on my keyboard, and here it's going to install the additional tools because I have checked that checkbox to install the additional tool Node.js, and then I will click on yes, which is going to start the process of installing those additional tools. In the meanwhile, those additional tools are being installed. We can ever check the Node.js installation. So I am going to just click on the search icon, or I can just click on the Windows start icon, and then I will search for Node.js. I will scroll down and I will search for Node.js. You can see this Node.js folder has been created. I will check on this, and you can see UH installation additional tools for node.js which is already running. There is this node.js command prompt. So node.js comes with its own command prompt. So I can click on this command prompt and it will open node.js wrapper and it will open this command line here. And I can just write a node here and press enter, and you can see it says welcome to the node.js. So version 18.17.1, which is the version which we have installed. You can also write console.log and then log a message here. For example, Reactify tutorials here, and then close the parenthesis and then provide the semicolon and then press enter. It prints Reactify tutorials, which means that node.js is working fine on my Windows operating system. For text editor, I recommend VS Code. You can download and install it from code.visualstudio.com. In our exciting next video tutorial, we will be diving into the creation of a dynamic React app. Thanks for watching.